How to use PandaDoc. In this video, we're going to be talking about PandaDoc and how you can use this incredible documentary software that you can find on the World Wide Web. Now, PandaDoc makes proposals that make impressions, okay? It's by far the best document software that I have used, okay? And it doesn't only help you, add your e-signatures or stamps to it, but it also helps you edit it, alter it, and change it in any way, okay? So it's used by a lot of companies, and it's also a very streamlined workflow that gives you integrations, automations, and a whole lot more features. So if we were to go over to the product overview of the whole platform, you can see that you have features like document generation, workflow generation. It says agreement workflows that drive revenue. Okay. You can see that the editor is really sleek. It's really good and up running. It says give your documents extra earning power, where one tool and one tab is given where you can consolidate your tech stack, create beautiful documents, e-sign securely, collect payments, and manage your content library easily, all without compromising performance. Then we have no code needed, where you can get up and running within days. Our user-friendly interface lets you get started quickly. You have real-time tracking, which is pretty cool. So you can get powerful analytics and reports about your designs and documents. You have more than 50,000 plus companies that are already experiencing document workflow efficiency. And PandaDoc is also synonymous with simplicity, whereas it's easy to implement and maintain and make changes to your business revolving around you. It's also easy to learn, where you can empower your team with their all-in-one document management solution and their user-friendly interface, which lets teams onboard effortlessly, where you have no need for lengthy training sessions. It's also pretty easy to get started, where you can start with one of their 1,000+ free templates, which is pretty cool. And it gives you all of these features like delivering error-free agreements, secure binding and e-signatures when you need them, maintaining momentum with real-time insights where you can get alerts all along, eliminating endless email chains, all of your agreements at your fingertips, and deliver an impressive buying experience. So all these cool features are in the palm of your hands. So if you want to start off with it, first of all, we're going to go ahead and judge with the pricings. So you have 3 basic plans, and on the monthly plan, you have starter plan for $35, business plan for $65, and the enterprise plan is up for discussion. So the starter plan is for quickly creating and signing forms and agreements. Business is for sales proposals and integrated agreement workflows. And enterprise is for end-to-end documented workflows and advanced automations. Now, the key features for all of these plans are pretty incredible in my opinion. Okay, you can get unlimited document uploads and e-signatures, rich media drag and drop document editor, real-time tracking and notification, and 24/7 email and chat support. Now, I currently have a 14-day free trial on the starter plan, and yes, it says no credit card required because there actually isn't a credit card required, which is pretty cool because not a lot of softwares out there give you a no credit card registration. All right. Now, once we've talked about all of these features, let's actually move over to PandaDoc and discuss about what's going on in it. So this is basically your home dashboard, okay? And the best part is that it's really easy to get along with, okay? The UI is absolutely immaculate, and you can pretty easily all of these things through your brain. So first of all, we have this legend over here. So we have home, inbox, documents, okay? Then right below it, we have payments, rooms, contacts, and right below it, we have add-ons, template gallery, discover. On the right-hand side, you get a document where it shows you what you've created and how much money you've made off of it. You can close it if you want to, and it can be refreshed, by the second as much as you want. Now, over here, you have your drafts, you have your actions required, waiting for other documents, finalized, and yet to approve. So you can pretty much go ahead and create a very, you could say, sleek section, which is categorized according to the main, you could say, action. Okay. And it's pretty incredible because you can keep track of your work by, keeping your eye on this small detail. Okay. So it gives you a pretty good and fun idea on how you can keep up with your work. Then we have the inbox section where you can, daily see your messages that come in and go out. We have the documents section where you can pretty much go ahead and start creating any document. You can create a new document through their endless templates, or you can go ahead and upload your very own document and make changes in it. Okay. Then we have these features, which are payments, rooms, contacts. Now, payments is for, let's say we create forms or documents that are supposed to be monetized, or they're supposed to get you payments. You can find those payments right over here. All that money will be compiled over here, and it's going to be open for you to, go ahead and withdraw it, and so on. And as we go on, we also have the room section. Now, the room section isn't up for the free trial, but you can get your own all-in-one space for proposals, contracts, and presentations, then start closing more deals. Okay. Then we move over to contacts. Now, this is also a very important place because this is where you actually add recipients or, clients or leads that you actually send these documents or emails to, okay? And you can access it all from this section over here on contact. It says avoid manual entry of your contacts, connect your CRM or use our Zapier integration and get things done faster. Okay, so you have first name, we have last name, email, phone, company, job title, and so on more. So just add the person's main details, and what happens from there is you can pretty much add them as a contact in your space. Okay, that is how easy it is. Now let's actually go to creating something. Okay, so we're going to click on create new over here, and over here you can see you get a lot of templates to work with. So cybersecurity, job offer, employee handbook, conversion rate, HVAC, printing services, Android app, investor, mortgage, advertising, business proposal. It's all given to you in this one section. You can also select your very own files if you want to edit those, but I'm going to stick with these over here. And I'm going to be going with let's go with cyber security policy template. So once we go ahead with that, we're going to add that template. It's going to ask if we want to add any recipients right now. I'm going to skip that, and I'm going to get straight into reviewing the template that I have chosen. And once we are over here, you can see that the actual editor opens up, and it's pretty easy. Okay, like there's not a lot of things going on in it, and the simple drag and drop blocks are really easy to get your head around. Now, first things first, these highlighted texts are texts that you're going to need to change, okay? So employee first name, employee last name, these are things that you're going to personally want to change for yourself when you are going through with the document. You can also add content blocks by yourself. So let's say if I come down here, okay, I'm going to click on add content. We're going to add a blank page, and here you can see we can add any text blocks and add any type of text into. Then you can also add images, videos, table contents, and a whole lot more. And then if you want to add your very own signatures, you can do that as well. So just like this, you can add your very own electronic signature for the document to be checked out of. So pretty incredible and pretty amazing stuff. And it's really easy to use the page editor as well. So, this is the main idea of PandaDoc and how you can use it. Now, if this made sense to you, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. So have a great day, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.